In today's episode, we are going to be trying a very, very popular internet makeup hack.
The tape contour.
Tape contour is when you use a sellotape as a stencil almost to contour your face. It claims to give a very precise and sharp contour.
And I think it's a really good hack if you're a beginner, you want to learn how to contour. This hack is definitely going to help you. So, I'm going to be using the powder bronzer.
And I'm going to be trying this hack with a cream contour.
So, let's begin.
I think I'm going to contour my cheekbones. What about you?
My nose contour.
Okay, let's go. So I'm going to be applying my tape contour over here, exactly where the contour goes, and I'm going to be contouring over this tape.
So what I have done is I have applied the tapes on both the sides of my nose so that I get a precise contour. You can also apply a very thin tape right in the middle and contour on both the sides, right? Since I had a nose contour, it was really quick to do it. I'm going to take off my tapes.
Okay, I'm going to take my tape off now. Yup, it does give a very, very sharp line. I'm going to blend it and see. I do feel like it's a little above what I'd like it to be. But let me blend it and see how it looks. What about your tape contour?
I have got the perfect nose contour, I believe. But a little foundation has come on my tape. So I think
you'll have
that's
to
really
retouch your foundation if you use this.
I'm just going to take my brush and blend in again. But it definitely gives a very precise contour.
It does. So after blending it, it looks really nice. And I also do feel that it gives a very, very precise contour. As if we look at the sticky side, not a lot of foundation has come off for me. Just a little bit. So maybe if you're wearing a long wear foundation, or if you've powdered your foundation, that powder may come off. But it's okay, you can retouch it. But the precise contour is really, really good. Like you cannot get it with a free hand the way you get it with a tape.
Yeah, I think this hack definitely works.
Totally.
So I hope you guys liked what we did and let us know if you try it.
And we will see you next time. Bye. In today's episode, we are going to be showing you guys 4 super simple makeup hacks for beginners.
So my first hack is how to curl your eyelashes with a lash curler. So you take the lash curler and blow dry it till it's lukewarm, and then you go ahead and curl your eyelashes. This will help your lashes to stay curled for a really longer time. It's just how you use your straighteners and hair curlers, how they use their heat to style your hair. It's a very similar technique. Wow, just look at them.
It's a visibly big difference. Okay, so my next hack is if you have an old clumpy mascara. Let me just show you what the mascara looks like right now. So as you can see, it has really thick chunks, it's super clumpy, and it's also dried up on the inside a little bit. So I'm going to refresh this quickly. So now I'm going to just pour this lens solution, a couple of drops into the mascara bottle, and then give it a good shake, and the mascara will be as good as new. You can see that it's not clumpy anymore. All of the thick clumps that were attached to the bristles of the brush are now dissolved.
So my third hack is how to make your creamy lipsticks matte. I'm going to apply my lipstick and put a tissue paper on my lips. Then I'm going to take my translucent powder and go all over with my brush, and then I'm just going to take it off. Then voila! Can you see the difference?
Yeah, the shine is gone. It's become completely matte.
So here is your secret hack for a matte lipstick.
I think this is great because no one has to buy matte lipsticks anymore. You can make your creamy lipsticks matte now.
Yeah.
Well, the last and final hack is for those people who want bigger eyes, but you're a beginner and you don't know how to play with eyeshadow and how to add depth to your eyes. A very simple thing that you could do is just get some white eyeliner and apply it in your waterline. It will instantly open up your eyes. So I'm sure you guys can see the difference between both the eyes. The right eye looks visibly bigger as compared to the left one. Now I'm going to complete both and show you guys the final result. And that's it, a simple white kajal for big beautiful eyes.
Yeah, I can actually see a really good difference, you know. It has opened up her eyes and made her look brighter.
Absolutely. So those were our hacks if you're a beginner. I hope these were helpful and you use them, and we will see you guys next time. Bye. In today's episode, we are going to be testing out some viral beauty hacks that we've seen all over the internet, and let me tell you, some of them are super bizarre.
So without wasting much time, let's go ahead with our first hack. It's called the winged eyeliner hack using a tape. I'm going to be putting the tape under my eyes and then just go ahead with my winged liner. So I just measured the space under my eyes and I cut the tape accordingly. I'm going ahead with the liner.
I'm guessing the tape prevents the eyeliner from going down.
Yes, definitely. You know, I always struggle to get the second eyeliner perfect. I'm pretty sure that might be yours, this thing also.
Yeah, it is. Both the liners never match.
Yeah. So let's hope that we get the perfect winged eyeliner.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Well, yeah, a little foundation has come out on my tape, but I think I can just blend it up later.
Alright, so moving on to the next hack. This is a really weird one. If you've always struggled with contouring your nose, which I have, all you have to do is take a pair of sunglasses or any glasses, and in the inner corner you apply a little bit of bronzer and then you drag it down so it will give you that contour that you can then blend away. Let me show you how it's done and try it on myself. So here I have a pair of sunglasses. So you can see these things in the corners that hold on your nose. I'm just going to put a little bit of bronzer over here. Now I'm going to wear these sunglasses and drag it down and see if it gives a contour line. It has left this nice line. Now I'm going to blend it and see if this contour makes my nose look chiseled. So this hack, I would say, is a 50-50 because it did leave a line over here, but it didn't go down all the way over here. And plus, even if it did, it kind of spread out a little bit towards the lower section of my nose. Which is not something that you want. So that's it from this episode. We will see you guys next time.
Thank you. Bye.
For more fashion tips, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.